For the first time in history, United States might be purchasing the Russian S-400 air defense system, and this is going to be indirectly via Turkey. Yes, you heard it right. The Russian S-400 missile system would be very soon owned by United States. Let us see more details about the same in this particular video. A United States senator has prepared a proposal to buy the Russian-made S-400 air defense system from Turkey in a bid to release the deadlock situation between Washington and Ankara over the Turkey's participation in a program to produce the F-35 Lightning II fifth-generation fighter jets. Just to rewind on what actually happened between Turkey and United States, the Turkey's decision to acquire S-400 missiles has spoiled its relationship with United States, which altered the delivery of 100 F-35 fighter jets to Turkey and also suspended Turkey's participation in the F-35 production program. So Turkey's decision in 2017 to buy the Russia's S-400 missile system caused a crisis with Washington. Even though United States has been offering their Patriot air defense system, Turkey went ahead and purchased the S-400 missile system from Russia, and this has made the United States upset. United States President Donald Trump has held off imposing the sanctions against Turkey for this particular purchase, but the sale remains a sticking point in the relationship. Coming back to the news of United States acquiring the S-400 from Turkey, I believe United States buying the S-400 from Turkey is a clever way of getting the relationship closer as usual, and they can even try to sell the altered F-35A conventional takeoff and landing models that were built by Lockheed Martin for Turkey. So just to summarize, the United States might be able to buy Turkey's Russian-made S-400 air defense system under the legislation proposed. Senate has proposed an amendment to the 2021 National Defense Authorization Act that would allow the purchase to be made using the United States Army's missile procurement account. The full agreement on S-400s between Turkey and Russia is not publicly available. Therefore, it is not known whether it allows Turkey to sell the system to the third party, and in this case, the third party is the United States government. So all we have to do is just wait and see how this deal goes, and everyone would be more excited to see the S-400 of Russia in United States soil. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.